guys, it's Kaya K Love and I'm back in with another video. I'll be showing you guys how I do my faux locks. They took me a long time to do because they're super long. And yeah, I will put how many packs of hair I use down below. Let's get into it. Okay guys, first things first. First thing I did was I braided the Marley hair all the way down to where my hair ended, because braiding it all the way through was just gonna be too long and nobody got time for that. So yeah, so what I did was I got the Marley hair and I just stretched it out. Now what I'm gonna do is go to the top, use the top, and kind of wrap it. I don't know if you guys can see, but I kind of wrapped it. Ooh, okay. I wrapped it. One thing about it, especially around your edges, try not to twist your hair, because that will really pull your hair out. But yeah, I just keep wrapping it. Not too tight, because you don't want to pull your hair out. And trust me, we need the edges, honey. Okay? Period. But just keep wrapping until you get to a certain liking of how you want it to, like, secure, I guess. And just keep wrapping. When you wrap it, you kind of want to overlap them, but not overlap them too much. And I'm only using one strand as I go down. I'll keep adding one strand instead of using two. I'm just using one strand as I go down because that's how big I want them. Depending on how big you want them, you'll probably have to use more if you want them bigger when you're wrapping. And yeah, so you just kind of, I don't know if you guys can see, you guys kind of just overlap them a little bit. Overlap. Just keep wrapping. Try not to twist, again, try not to twist your hair as you're doing it. Just keep going. It's really simple, honestly. Okay, now when you add another strand, it's the same thing as when you add it at the top. You do the same thing. All you're just doing is just placing it the same way you placed it at the top, starting from the top. Same steps, same thing. So start with the top of it, the edge, and just kind of like wrap it a little bit, and then go back to wrapping. So simple, so simple. Kind of fluff out the hair a little bit, stretch it out. So when you get to the bottom, you want to just wrap the hair back up. Like, instead of wrapping it down to go all the way down, you wrap it the opposite way. And yeah. Now, I wasn't aiming for them to be perfect because honestly, who cares? I wanted them like this and I like them like this. So now I'm going to do my edges real quick. I'm just gonna be doing something basic, something slight. Something slight. Nothing too extra. You feel me? Slick. And swoop. Something slight. Something slight. Nothing major, you feel me? Period. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Bye.